She's been tucked away for a little while. Let's check in on her, see how she's doing. You know, she's tucked in to sleep for the night. So it's always nice to open her up. And it's funny because it's always scary as, hey, is there a bunch of critters in here? What's the condition like? So you never quite know. Now, my advice to you is to open up every single compartment in there. I always leave this open. Let that baby dry out. So as you open her up, all the little compartments, get that air moving in there. Let that thing dry up. Even the bait wells, seed keeper, all that big compartment, all the little drawers. Man, I let it go for a little while. All my tackle stuff was just screaming because the condensation coming down on the inside the plano boxes was even making a problem. So open her up, let her dry. It's good for you. Get all that stuff out there, and it'll stop with corrosion and help out. The only thing is, it's always scary, is there something living in here afterwards? But you know, get her all up and going. Every little compartment. Come on now. Get her up. Okay, the cooler's drying. Get all this little stuff. The bench, all nice and dry in there. And what's funny, even the little anchor locker up there, get that dried up, get it open. All this stuff, it's just better for it. Lets her breathe out. My only fear is I'm gonna walk in here one time and forget about it, and I step in the hole and break my leg. That's all I need. So there she is. Let's wrap her up, see what she's doing.